Hello and welcome back to the next video in the Magnet Construct app instructional video series. In this video we'll demonstrate how to configure your app for a layout survey session. The LN100 will constantly be tracking your Prism, and Magnet Construct app provides you with a real-time position. Layout of points and lines can be executed from the map view or from the layout menu tab. We'll explore both options, starting with the map. To access the map, press the magnet icon. Once in the map, zoom into the point or line you want to lay out, and then press the layout icon. To enable tracking, press the prism icon, or if needed, steer your LN100 towards your direction. Move to the point using the horizontal and vertical measurements the app has provided. When you are within your horizontal tolerances, a green circle becomes visible. If you try to store a point outside your tolerances, a warning message appears. Store the point and notice a new point was created for your laid out point. Additionally, horizontal and vertical measurements for your next layout point is now displayed. Let's explore another way to lay out a point, line, or elevation. Open the Layout tab from the main screen. Here you can choose your layout options. Layout of a line is similar to a point, so let's look how elevation works. Select Set Elevation. Enter your elevation you wish to maintain or verify. Once you have your elevation, you will see the cut and fill bar moving according to your survey rod. Once you're on grade, the cut and fill bar colors change, and a change in the beeping alarm can be heard. For additional options, navigate back to the main screen.